Okay, so let's say I have 2 points for you. I have 1, 4, and I have -1, and notice this time I don't give you the full coordinate. I have something missing, and I do have the slope given. Oh, by the way, if I didn't specify it already, another way to write your slope is using the letter M. It is a slope. Okay, so I have the slope. I have my 2 points, however, one coordinate is missing. So how are we going to figure this out? Before, notice how we always set this up as a subtraction problem, right? So we can still certainly set it up the same way. And let's do it. 1 minus -1 is 2, right? Double negative positive. So it's 2. 4 minus r. This time I don't know what r is, so I had to write it as 4 minus r. But I know that this is my x and this is my y. And according to our slope definition, it's going to be the change in y over the change in x. So what is my change in y? Right there, right? 4 minus r. So I just write 4 minus r. What is my change in x? Right there, 2. So I have that. But we also know what the slope is. The slope is 2. Notice that we're working backwards in a sense. We're not finding the slope anymore. The slope is given. We have to find a missing coordinate. So the slope is 2. I just substitute that in there. I have my expression here on the right, 4 minus r, because we want to find out what r is. And since we have fraction on both sides, the best way to do it, cross multiply. So that's going to become 4 minus r times 1 equals to 2 times 2, right? This 1 times anything is just itself, equals 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract the 4. That will give you negative r equals to 0. And obviously, if you want to get rid of this negative, you can divide it by -1 both sides. So r is 0. So what you just found here is the missing coordinate up here. So your complete point is going to be 1, 4 and -1, 0. If you really want to verify to see if it is indeed will give you back the slope of 2, you can certainly try to plug it back in, using your quick subtraction to see if it's going to give you the solution or not. So, here's a test. 1, 4, -1, 0. Subtract. -1 minus -1, that's going to give you 2. 4 minus 0, 4. Y over x, right? So this is y, and this is x. So 4 over 2 is 2.